Every year, I try to visit a new Christmas market here in Germany, and this time I chose to visit the city of Pforzheim, located in the north of the Black Forest between the cities of Karlsruhe and Stuttgart. An interesting fact about Pforzheim is that it was the target of one of the most massive attacks by the Allied forces in the World War II, destroying 80% of its buildings. But this time, let us not talk about much of its history, rather to the main attraction of Pforzheim, the Christmas market. What is interesting about its Christmas market is that there are two themes, the medieval market and the golden Christmas market. So if you're around Germany and are not sure if Pforzheim should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, we will discover the interesting things to see in Pforzheim. Let us dive into the first market theme, the golden Pforzheim Christmas market. It offers everything that belongs to a real Christmas market: a golden Ferris wheel, Christmas tree, delicious Christmas treats, and a stage with a great program. The special charm and the incomparable glow of lights are guaranteed to put visitors in a really Christmassy mood. It boosts the city by its unique golden charm, which combines tradition with modern winter magic. Traditionally filled with stalls, mulled wine, the famous Christmas bread known as Stollen, a German bread like fruitcake filled with dried fruits, nuts, and spices covered in powdered sugar, and the large golden angel pyramid. With a Ferris wheel, carousels, and winter wonderland, the market is ideal for families. Special features include jewelry, candles, woodwork, and other unique products. You will truly feel that Pforzheim offers a multifaceted, festive experience that combines tradition and modernity and a diverse range of offerings for all age groups. The Weinachtsmart Pforzheim is a charming holiday destination that captures the essence of Christmas with its unique flair. Although Pforzheim lacks an old town due to historical events, it compensates with delightful offerings like the nearby medieval market in Blumenhof. I arrived and entered their medieval market area, which was a pleasant surprise. The stalls offered rustic foods, hot drinks, and games based on the Middle Ages. I really like the ambience. There you can see a dragon on the ceiling in one of the medieval stalls, a medieval way of baking, an amazing display of grilled meat, and other cozy medieval stalls. As you stroll through the small market, there you can see the firewood burning in flames everywhere that makes the medieval spirit alive. People who own the stalls dress up like in the medieval times. I really find it amazing to have such concept. Although the area was small, but the experience is totally pleasant and one of a kind. When the market is beautifully illuminated in the evenings, it creates a magical atmosphere for visitors. I hope that this video will help you appreciate Christmas market in Pforzheim even more. Frohe Weihnachten an alle! And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!